Today's tutorial, I will show how to implement LinkedIn conversion tracking or client side tracking on your e-commerce store. I will cover each and everything, and I will make this video for beginner level to advanced. Anyone can follow this tutorial. So first you need to create some conversion in your LinkedIn ads account. So basically this is my business LinkedIn ads account, and here first you need to create some conversion action. So here in this left navigational panel you will find measure. So click this measure option, and here you will find conversion tracking. So simply click here, and now you need to create some conversion. So my first conversion, and for client side tracking we need to select this inside tag conversion, not conversion API. This one is for server side tracking. So select this one and give your conversion name. So the conversion name first is view content, and this W represent website tracking. So basically I already have server side tracking conversion, so that's why I add this W for recognize that this is website or web tracking, and the other one is server tracking. Okay, and now from here you need to select this key page view. Okay, and you do not need to change anything else, simply click next step, and now here choose tag manager. Here you will find partner ID, so copy this and navigate to your tag manager, variables. Okay, new constant variable, constant, and paste it, and give this name like LinkedIn partner ID. Partner ID. Save. This partner ID will never change. That's why we store it inside a constant variable. Okay. So now the triggering. I already have view item trigger create. So basically you need to choose custom event, and in event name section you need to write view underscore item. So let me show you how you can do is click new and then custom event, and here you need to write view item. So basically you will find this name in your data layer. Here you need to find your view item data layer, and here you will see I event view item. If you find view content or anything, whatever you find here, you need to simply copy and paste. So basically this is my add to cart event name. This is add to cart. Okay, so you need to copy this event, and then whatever you find you need to copy it and simply paste it in your event name section. That's it. So I already have this trigger created, view item, and here you can see purchase. The process are same for triggering. It is very easy. This is purchase event, and this is add to cart event. So each and every event that is required is already exist in my tag manager, but you need to create it if it is your new container, and I show you the way. And then you need to go to tags, new, and we need to find LinkedIn tag template. So basically you won't find it here, so that's why you need to create that community template gallery, and here you need to search LinkedIn inside tag 2.0. This one, simply add to a workspace and add. Okay, so now I need to put partner ID. So this is the LinkedIn partner ID that we created little while ago, and now I need conversion ID. So for this, navigate to ads account, and here select event specific. This is the inside conversion that we create, event specific, and here you will find conversion ID. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, and event ID you can give your event id if you are implementing both browser side and server side tracking. I am only implementing client side or browser side, that's why I am going to skip this one. And here advanced setting, you need to choose once per page, that's it. Okay, and now the triggering, it is view item, and now simply give this tag a name, view content, and now save. So view content implementation is done, and now the next event is add to cart. Okay, so again new tag configuration. Now you will find that LinkedIn text template here. You do not need to search it and add again to your workspace. No, this is for one time. So click this, and here partner ID we already have partner ID. Okay, and now we need conversion ID. For this, we need to create conversion for add to cart. This is showing unverified. Again inside tag conversion, and now we need to give conversion name, add to cart, and now we need to select the category. Here you will find add to cart. This is add to cart, select it, and do not need to change anything, just next step. And here is this tag manager, select this one, and we already have partner id, but we need conversion id. For this, click event specific and copy this code and simply paste it here. And now once per page, and the triggering is add to cart, this one. And now save this and give this text a name, add to cart, and now simply save. Okay, and here we need to finish this setup, create. Okay, so now our final event is purchase. This LinkedIn Insight Tech 2.0. We have partner ID already. Partner ID. Now we need conversion ID. So we need to create conversion for purchase inside Tech conversion. Okay. So conversion name is purchase. This W for website tracking. And here we also have purchase. You need to select category purchase. And now next step, tag manager, we already have partner id, but we need conversion id, so select event specific. And now this is conversion id, copy this and now paste it here. Advanced setting, once per page, and now select purchase, give this a name, purchase, purchase save. Okay, so the implementation is done, and before the check we need to do one thing, finish this. And here I need to add a W. You can name anything, that is up to you. Okay. So if I add to cart W for my recognizing, that's why. Next step, next next step. How that? Okay, okay, okay. So now you can see the status is showing unverified. Okay, so now I will check whether the tracking implementation is working perfectly or not. So preview your web container. This is my website, and now first let's view a product. Okay, so this is my view item, and this is LinkedIn Insight tag. This is firing perfectly. You see fired, and firing status is succeed. And now the next event is add to cart. Okay, now if I check, here is add to cart, and you can see it is also firing successfully. And now the most important event is purchase. Let's buy this product. Okay, place order. Okay, now here is purchase, and now it is showing also succeeded, succeeded purchase. And now here in ads account, if we reload this page, Okay, it is taking some time, but this will also show active, just like this 3 conversion. Let me reload this once again. Okay, so now you can see that the conversion are showing active, so it can take some time, so you do not need to worry about. And this is the perfect implementation or proper implementation guide for if you want to track your website for LinkedIn conversion tracking. You can follow this tutorial.